the square sum function so that it squares each number passed into it and then sums the result together. For example, for 1 to 2 it should return 9, okay? Because 1 power of 2 and 2 power of 2 and 2 power is equal to 9. Okay, so complete the square. Okay, we're always squaring. So, and we're getting it inside a list. Okay, going to call a variable called result. And give it 0 as an example, and then we're going to do 34 number for I in numbers, and then going to do result plus equal the I power of 2, and then when we finish we're gonna return result and see if it works. Nope. Okay, 3 should equal to 5. Okay, let's print numbers. Test again. Okay, we have 1 and 2. So 1 power of 2, which is 1, and 2 power of 2, which is 4. Yeah, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 3 should equal to 5. How about this one? So this one is 0. This one 4 and 5 multiply, so 16. Let's see. Result. Okay, let's print the result. So first time result is 3. A second time result is 3. So first time result should equal 1. Yeah, the power is with double asterisks. Okay, let's submit it. Let's see other people how they did it. Okay, this is one liner. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Grasshopper summation. Write a program that finds the summation of every number from 1 to some. The number will always be positive integer greater than 0. Okay, write a program that finds the summation of every number, okay, from 1 to none. the number will always be positive integer greater than 0. For example, summation 2 is equal to 3, so 8 is equal to 36 because 1 plus 2 plus. Okay, so it's the range. We're going to use the range, I think, but this one is included. Okay, I think it's simple. Let's do result, give it 0, and here for I in range, and we're going to start by 1 and ends at none, but we want to include that number, so plus equal to 1, and here we're going to do result plus equal to I, and then at the end we're going to return the result. Let's test it. Yes. Let's submit it and see other programmers how they solved it. Okay, this is a one-liner. X range. I never used it, really. Okay, this one clever.